Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This mobile SYMPHONY i72. You can see here verify account, Google account verify problem. So now I want to remove this FRP bypass lock, Google account verifying unlock. So first of all, you have to click emergency call and emergency information. You can see here. After that, click on pencil, add contact. You can see here and click allow. So now guys, yeah, you can see here there are two contacts and add any contact. After that, click on contact, share it, and hold on message. You can see here app information. Click on app information and scroll down SMS app. After that, open links, and last scroll down on YouTube icon, app notification, additional settings. So now scroll down last in about. You can see here YouTube terms of service and accept and continue. Next it and no thanks. Now guys, Chrome browser is open. Now you have to search this link frpfile.com/bypass. When you enter this link, then click search it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now guys, you have to scroll down and you have to download the application. First of all, download Google Account Manager Android 8 version. After that, you have to download FRP bypass FRP 1.0 APK. Now guys, you have to click on three dot and download tab. You can see here there are two applications downloading and to wait. Download completed. Now you have to install Google Account Manager. Install it. When install complete, then click done. Now guys, you have to install FRP bypass APK, and now open this application. Click on three dots, click on browse sign in. Now guys, you have to sign in Gmail. Enter your Gmail account. When you enter your Gmail address, then click on next. After that, input password and click sign in. Sign in complete. Now you have to restart this mobile. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Don't forget it. Do it, it's working on. Hi there. Click start and escape. Checking for updates. You can see here set up as new, and you can see here account added. Now click next and escape it. Not now. Escape anyway. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. No thanks it, and scroll down and accept. After that, no thanks. Adding finished touches, and hello, you can see here this homepage. Mobile. This mobile is unlocked and verify account completed. FIB bypass removed. So now bye. Be back later. See you next.